Ever worry about power surges frying your valuable electronics? Imagine having one reliable power strip that not only powers all your devices but also shields them from unexpected spikes. The multi-outlet surge protector power strip offers exactly that. 8 surge-protected outlets packed into a sleek, compact design that fits perfectly on your desk or entertainment center. I was skeptical at first, just like you might be. But after plugging in my computer, phone, and camera, I noticed how much cleaner my workspace looked. No more tangled cords everywhere. The outlets are spaced widely enough to fit bulky plugs and charger bricks without crowding. Plus, the 6-foot heavy-duty cord with a 3-prong flat plug slides easily into tight spaces, making setup effortless. What really stood out was the surge protection. Rated at 3,550 joules, this power strip guards against overloads, short circuits, and even lightning strikes. When I installed it for my home theater system, it actually revealed a grounding issue in my house I didn't know about. After getting it fixed, I had peace of mind knowing my devices were fully protected. Safety isn't an afterthought here either. Each outlet features a slide lock to keep unused sockets covered, great for homes with kids. The power strip also comes with advanced power conditioning for optimal performance, so you can plug in multiple devices without worrying about overloading your circuits. It's backed by a lifetime warranty and a $200,000 connected equipment warranty, so you know it's built to last and protect your investment. If you're looking for a smart, space-saving way to power and protect your devices, this surge protector is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your setup with confidence.